Shout out to Holly Bear and Sony Grigorova. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making it's a new recipe and a new product in my range. It's a melt and pour base. It's 50-50 coconut and beef tallow. And as you know, I've been getting the beef tallow from Heirloom body care, which is outstanding quality. And don't forget, I have an affiliate with Heirloom body care. Enter Dawn5 at checkout for 5% off your order. Minimum spend $75. You can use it as many times as you like, and further information is available in the description. So for those of you that have seen me make melt and pour before, it's basically a hot process soap. I weigh out to the oils or fats required. I add sugar syrup, sodium lactate, and I add a portion of the glycerin up front just to help it speed up the saponification process as soon as I put the lye solution in, and also just to keep it a little bit fluid and quite liquid, so when I do add the rest of the glycerin, it dilutes a lot easier and a lot quicker. And I've seen online a lot of people commenting just in general, just over the place on other soap makers pages, or just when melt and pour soap comes up on social media, and they say that you can't make that you can't make melt and pour to be natural because it's got like PG and all sorts of other chemicals in it. But it is absolutely possible to make melt and pour that is glycerin. I keep saying that is glycerin. To make melt and pour that is actually natural, you can just melt the soap into glycerin, as you'll see me do here. That's just me adding the sugar syrup and the sodium lactate. And with the lye solution, I still add the salt and the sodium gluconate as normal. And as you see here, I'm just weighing just a portion of the glycerin, and you'll see later that I'll add the remaining glycerin to the recipe. And I discovered this by mistake, many years ago, and it's just been melt and pour, especially the way it's made here. It's just got a superior lather and a superior skin feel compared to a lot of traditional and commercial melt and pour soap bases on the market. So yeah, you'll see me just this is a new product. You just see me just making the base throughout the video, and it's actually been very well received. People are really loving tallow, so I thought since I've been making tallow soaps and tallow balms and people are really liking it, I thought I might as well make a base out of it, and it's absolutely beautiful and creamy. I also, as you see me, add some milk cubes just now. That's just my ultra concentrated milk, where I dissolve the milk powder into fresh Australian milk. Right, so I'm going to quit my yakking and enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. And also have a lather test for how the base performs at the end of the video.